All right, ladies, we cracked the code. We cracked the code. If you want to style your outfits just like Victoria Beckham, those iconic looks, I'm going to show you how in today's video. Starting off with this gorgeous, iconic look. This was Victoria Beckham stepping out into a New York Week fashion show. She stepped out in this gorgeous head-to-toe black outfit and just somehow made it feel like the most powerful outfit in the room. And why? So I recreated it and I pulled together why this outfit works. Now, as she was pulling this look together, she just beautifully silhouettes every single outfit, which is just really the key to effortless style. So all of the looks that I recreated from Victoria Beckham in today's video are from Amazon. So they're all that affordable fashion, but you're getting that high-end designer vibe. Now, Victoria Beckham is known to really pull together budget-friendly, but also designer pieces. So I made all of the looks really practical and wearable for the everyday so that you can feel like $1,000,000 every single day. But this particular outfit is so iconic, just timeless. Every piece in the look has a slightly different texture just to kind of break it up a little bit, but nothing is faded or soft. It's more structured and tailored. So overall, it looks really effortless and easy, but really each piece is super intentional. So the key to kind of really pulling this outfit is a good tailored pant or wide leg pant. And the key with those pants is you want to have the waistband of them slightly above your natural waistline so that it kind of just pulls everything together and allows things to just look so you can get that waist definition that you're looking for. Now, these pants from Amazon, they look like they're trouser pants, but they're actually a really stretchy fabric. I kind of call them like my sweatpant work pant because they feel so comfortable. They have the most incredible stretchy fabric. So I styled that. And then the black long sleeve rib top. Victoria Beckham is known for her classic kind of ribbed fitted long sleeve tops in many neutral colors, but she just styles these all the time. They're a classic piece, and this black ribbed turtleneck from Amazon has to be one of the best quality long sleeve turtlenecks. It's a nice light to medium material. It's not sheer whatsoever. The quality on the actual fabric is really, really nice. And then she completes the look with a gorgeous belt to just kind of accentuate that waistline. And they're going to have the trousers break right around the heel line. She went with her classic silver jewelry, but then threw in a little pop of color with these sky blue heels. Now look at the suede detailing on these heels. I love a simple pop of color to take just a basic outfit, but really take it up a notch. So stunning option from Amazon, true to size, and the heel height is just perfect. So it's really easy to walk in. So the silhouette formula for this outfit, if you will, is a structured top, elongated bottoms, a clean neckline. There's no clutter in the outfit. She's not over accessorizing here, but she does bring that subtle pop of color with the heels. So I just feel like this outfit screams luxury too, but really everything's from Amazon. This next look is a denim on denim moment that she was spotted wearing out on the street. And this outfit, it was taken actually in 2018, but it carries so well into 2026 because denim on denim is a huge trend for this year. In case you missed it, here are the top trends we're going to be seeing in 2026 you can watch after this video. But this isn't just random denim on denim, it's an elevated denim look. So the washes here are very intentionally coordinated. They don't match absolutely perfect, but they are harmonious. They go together just like they were made for each other. So it's not really about the two denim pieces that you have, it's how you style them and the shape of the pieces. I love how she took a waistband with the denim top and just kind of pulled it together. So otherwise a top that would have been more straight, not so flattering, couldn't show a midsection. She took a belt and really pulled that in. So I recreated that look with this denim top from Amazon, which actually comes with the belt. And side note, I am so picky when it comes to denim, and this is the most movable, soft denim material. So it feels like it should be a piece that's $150 plus. And then it does feature that high waist that really elongates the legs, pulls everything in, and slims the look. You can say the drama is in the length, but Victoria Beckham always exaggerates one piece in her looks. So even when she looks really relaxed and she's just walking on the street, there's also structure to the outfit. She never lets the fabric swallow her. There's always a little bit of shape. So that's just a really good point when you're creating the outfits, to always have one focal point. There's no heavy distressing on them. There's a nice crisp collar that just looks really clean and elevated. There's a structured shoulder to the shirt, which, as you know, elongates the shoulder, slims the waist, just elongates the legs as well. I'm styling my favorite dark wash jeans from Amazon as well. These are a really flattering straight style. And then she went very neutral with the shoes. So we went with a cream pointed toe flat. You could style a heel with this as well, but a flat would be my choice of shoe just because the comfort level is unmatched. But she did again add a little pop of color with that gorgeous burgundy bag. Love this bag from Amazon. It's a nice movable material. Price point is really, really good on it, and I feel like the burgundy with the denim tone are just made for each other and so beautiful. The next look we're going to recreate is this outfit that she actually styled on the way to her hotel ahead of the Victoria's Secret spring summer fashion show, and she was spotted styling this relaxed gray top with a nice straight style denim jean, and it just looked so effortless. So the screen, it just kind of looks like a gray top and jeans, but it doesn't just read basic. The gray top is refined, it's structured, not too oversized. We're seeing the fit of the jeans just fit her perfectly. They're not too wide. They have the perfect straight style look. And then the whole outfit is just intentional. It's just not thrown together. And you know what? She never actually dresses down. She oftentimes just simplifies, which that's a secret. And if the top was more boxy or the jeans were too short, the whole outfit would kind of just not look as good. I'm loving the neutral palette here. I found the most stunning ribbed long sleeve basic from Amazon that I love. It's a nice stretchy material. It's more structured. It doesn't feel slouchy or oversized, and it tucked in beautifully to the dark wash jeans that I had shared with the denim on denim look that hit perfectly at the ankle area. And then Victoria pulled it together with another belt. You'll see again and again, she really pulls together more of her simple looks with just a classic belt, and styled some little black booties to go with this. These look like one that she was wearing at a really good price point from Amazon. True to size, extremely comfortable. And we're often seeing her in a good sunny as well. So you'll probably see me styling these black, almost more like an aviator style sunglass throughout the video, because they're just timeless and they give that designer look without the price tag. And you're seeing here over and over again with the accessories that she's styling and the shoes and the pieces. She's not decorating her outfits, she's finishing them. She's adding the finishing touch with all those accessories that she's styling. So I feel like that's just an outfit secret formula that we ladies can really take along. She really treats all of those basics like the perfect tailored outfit. I cannot get over this outfit. She was spotted wearing this cream beautiful look traveling. So she was en route from New York to London. So this outfit was seen at the JFK airport. Now let's break it down. Yes, this is a travel outfit. This is how she styled it. And this silhouette is so strong. Now, the key to this piece is I think she went with more of a cream tones instead of stark white. So it felt more natural. There's no frills, there's no ruffles. It's just this really soft cream sweater styled with a denim skirt. She did a great job at really combining the softness with the sharpness on this look. Now it is traveling, so she chose to go with more of a cozy sweater top that felt comfortable for her to be wearing at that time, but it's smooth, it's not too chunky. And the key is she tucked it into her waistline, so it pulled together and gave a focal point for the outfit. Again, control is the theme here. And she chose a midi skirt here to create a long vertical line, so that was intentional. And then again, she did a little pop with the heels. I love the leopard heels here. This is pretty much an identical look from Amazon, true to size, very comfortable. This denim skirt from Amazon also has like a slight stretch to it, so it's extremely comfortable. Just by seeing this outfit, I don't think I would naturally think, oh, I would wear that to an airport. Once you pull these pieces together and put them on, you realize, wow, these fabrics just go together really nicely. They're comfortable, get so elevated. So if you need a good outfit to style on a trip when you're traveling, opt for this one. And the key to this really is cream on cream can sometimes look a little boring, maybe a little bit flat, but she avoids the washed out, the oversized, just like straight fit. She keeps everything structured, and then she adds a little bit of sharp and pizzazz with her accessories. So we're noticing this pattern across all of her different outfits. Oversized sunglasses, structured bag, a sleek pointed heel, and minimal jewelry. So with a lot of these looks, she's wearing the same like silver pieces that just kind of are timeless. She doesn't need to think about it. So maybe it's time to ditch our regular airport outfits with leggings, hoodies, sneakers, and instead replace that with elevated knit, polished midi, a comfortable shoe, and just the perfect silhouette. Now this green structured outfit is so iconic. She was spotted wearing this in September of 2019, and this is just such a her-coded outfit, but I am head over heels for it. Every time I see it, I'm like, this is just so effortless. It's more of a bold color for her, but it's styled exactly the way that it should be. It's a single color commitment. So yes, she went with a little bit more of a bold color, but it's a single color commitment. No competing shades within this outfit. She doesn't really let the color do the talking, the tailor does. So that is one of Victoria Beckham's like style favorites, is a structured blazer. She says this is one of the most timeless pieces that can really just elevate your style. You see her style blazers time and time again, and every single time she wears one, it just looks so good. Now the key with the blazers is to have the shoulders have a little bit of structure to them, not necessarily like a full-on padding, but you want to have a little bit of structure there because it elongates the shoulders, slims the waist and body. Again, we're seeing that elongation and structure. Now we're seeing her pull in the structured bag again, a simple shoe, but I love the long line necklace on this. I found the perfect look for less on Amazon, and I just loved the gold with the green color combo. I think it just pulled the look together, and just that was that little touch that the outfit needed. Now under this, she did style it under a beautiful white blouse. You could do a white fitted top if you want a little bit more structure. You could do a white blouse. But I love the tailoring look on the pants. They do have a straight style, and just it's overall a very elevated outfit, but it still has the comfort level of 10 out of 10. And this little set I had found on Amazon comes as a set. So you're getting the blazer and the pant together for under $50. It does come in a wide range of color options, but so easy to style and recreate in your everyday and to the office. Now I loved the leather bag that she had. I feel like the brown tone in the bag really complemented the gold and that beautiful rich green tone. So this is a stunning bag from Amazon that also does have the gold hardware on it, which just pulls everything together. Really great designer inspired bag. And I love how it just took the thinking out of an outfit. It's really the formula with this look. When you crack the code, it's a monochromatic commitment. She's not mixing tones here. Exaggerated tailoring, so you're still getting that shape and definition that you want, but it's also so simple and easy to style. This next look, Victoria was spotted at the Jimmy Fallon show, so she was wearing this while promoting the Netflix documentary. She wore this stunning, sleek satin slip dress with minimal heels and just this overstated elegance. So I went on a little hunt and found a beautiful dress that reminded me so much of this one on Amazon, and when you put it on, you just feel like $1,000,000. Now this one from Amazon has a stunning open back detail going on, so it would look really beautiful with an updo. But I kind of wanted to break down why this formula was so iconic for Victoria Beckham. She didn't overload this look. There was no heavy layering, there was no bold necklace. It was more of a clean kind of detailed neckline. You could say she kind of edits until there's really nothing else to remove. So I feel like that really is like the code cracker for this whole look. She walks with confidence, which is another piece that really will pull an outfit together and just make it look so beautiful. Now here she just went with a simple strappy kitten heel, easy to walk in, timeless. She went with her classic sunglasses, her go-to little love bracelet in silver, which this one from Amazon is one I wear all of the time. It's that same look for less, but this one's like under $15. She also added a gorgeous tennis bracelet, and I also found a stunning one on Amazon that I love. Just adds that little bit of sparkle to the outfit. But this satin dress from Amazon is so elegant. I love the structure of it. You can see it in the back. It's just such a beautiful design. True to size small, and you're definitely going to want to wear stickies with this just because it does have that open back, but it's timeless, it's classy. If you have an event coming up, go with a look like this. So at this point, across all 5 looks, the big key takeaways that you can take to style and look effortless, just like Victoria Beckham: structure, elongated pieces that just fit you right, defined waist, more of a controlled palette, ruthless editing, more is not always better, and minimal but powerful accessories. If you want to check out even more of our favorite Amazon fashion finds heading into spring, you can watch this video next.